going to put a reef in the main, and while it's light air now, if it's heavy air out on the bay, it's something you want to do. It keeps the boat in control, and actually, in more wind, the less sail area you have, the faster you'll go, because you're not wasting as much energy on heeling the boat. You're spending more on going faster. So we have two things. We have the reefing lines right here. This is going to be our new outhaul as we pull it down, so we can see it runs through right here, so we never untie this. And if we look up at the front of the mast, we're going to see a hook, and that hook is going to become our new tack. In order to do this procedure properly, I'm going to need to make sure the main sheet is free to run down. I'm going to attach the new tack, and then I'm going to tighten on the new outhaul, or the reefed outhaul. After I'm done with that, I'm going to roll up the excess sail and use the square knot in order to make sure that the sail is not flapping around. I'm lowering the mainsail until I get to the new tack shackle right here. So I attach this shackle, goes right on that hook. After I've attached that hook, I'm going to take up the excess line on the new outhaul. Pull that tight, oops, make sure my tack shackle's on. Take the excess line, coil it up and get it out of the way. And now I'm ready to re-pull the sail up. Sometimes this can come undone, so what we want to do is make sure we're holding that there as we pull our sail back up. Again, tension is key to making this process work. So I'm actually gonna add more tension to the outhaul. We take our excess, we roll it up, put a square knot in it, left over right and under, right over left and under. That's a reef for you. So now we're going to focus on taking down the mainsail. And there's a couple of things that we want to do. First is going to be, we're going to lower the sail. Then we're going to hook it on the topping lift back here. We don't want to do that at first, just because it can provide too much pull on the sail, making it really difficult and setting us up for potentially not capsizing, but big movements in the boat back and forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the sail, I'm going to attach the topping lift back here, and then I'm going to flake the sail side over side, tying it off at each point and putting the cover back on. Okay, I'm going to start by lowering the mainsail, trying to keep the boom and all the sail material in the boat. Secure the main halyard. Alright, I'm going to move back and secure the topping lift. And then I'm going to flake the sail. Hand over hand, I pull tight, making sure I get the battens. When I come to a batten on the sail, I try and make sure it's parallel to the boom, and I attach a tie. Regular old bow knot, just like you do on your shoelaces, is perfectly fine. Careful not to fall down the companionway here. And then we're ready to put the sail cover on. Again, another loose halyard that just creates lots of excess wear. By tightening the halyards, we prevent excess wear on the boat. Same thing we did with the main halyard, we're going to tighten it off at the cleat. There we go. Thanks.